Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix mouse cursor stuck in Star Wars Battlefront 2, full resolution and control guide. Fix 1 is disable the EA app overlay. Open the EA app, click the menu settings, then open application, turn in-game overlay off, then restart the game. Second one is turn off other overlays. Close or disable the Discord, Steam, Nvidia GeForce, Experience or MSI Afterburner overlays, then launch the game again and check if the cursor is gone. Third one is switch display mode. Open options, then video. Change between full screen, borderless or windowed mode. Then apply the changes and restart the game if needed. Fourth one is refresh the game window. Press Alt plus Tab to switch to the desktop, then return to the game. If needed, press Alt plus Enter to switch between full screen and windowed mode. Fifth one is disconnect controller. Unplug any controller, joystick, racing wheels or drawing tablet. Then restart the game. Connect the controller again after the game loads if needed. Thanks for watching.